Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the circus. I've got a thing here. Hey, will you cut this thing? Cut that thing there. So, look at here, guys. Girls and Stryker lovers. This is the advanced slope fighter. Just in case you have some bullies on your slope, then, you know, you can fight them. Really a cool kit. I've seen one of these prior to me having this one. There we go. Excuse the fingers. But it wasn't a. It was modified, slightly modified, heavy modified, depends on how you want to call it. The cat had a battery pack in the front, and he made a propeller pusher out of the thing, and dude, it was scary fast. His version was belly lander, which I think this one here is as well. It's got a one-piece epoxy fuse with a hatch. It's got foam cord wings that are covered, vacuum formed. What's it say? Vacuum formed tail pivots, cockpit, clear canopy, all machine cut sanded plywood, yada yada. So let's take a look, shall we? So now here's the thing. I don't know if this came from the factory already done, or if this was done. And the reason I don't have the answer to that question, because I have not yet pulled the plans out. Why don't we do that together? Let's see here. I am guessing that, hey Chomper. What's going on, man? Something important the way you come running in the door there? Did Lassie fall in the well, or Timmy, or whatever his name is? There we go. So, yeah, fiberglass hatch. Isn't that kind of cool? Pretty righteous and thin, and I think I love those thin, super thin, sleek looking. Right, yeah. Yeah, I'm beginning to think that this was built. Somebody been in here. And you know what I'm not seeing? I'm not seeing the clear canopy. So, yeah, it looks like somebody has built the tail, but you know, they did a good job. But it's got a, looks like it's got a little piece of carbon in there for something. Control surfaces. I'm going to put the camera down just for a minute and take a look at something. I'll be right back. It's really pretty much to the point where all you got to do is just assemble, you know, kind of put the thing together. And like I said, the work on the wings is done really well. Flat bottom. This thing's going to be a rocket ship fast, man. So, you know, I tell you what, if I had a hill around here big enough to enjoy a little slope flying, this thing here would never make it.
What?
Up for sale. Not until I built it, put it together, you know. So, you guys are very lucky that I live in a flat area, because now you get a chance to buy this Stryker Advanced Slope Fighter. by DCU. Good luck.